feet in length inside the train. For all the passengers away from train opening, please watch your children. Thank you. You currently have a camera or a phone out. Please turn off the flash on your cameras. No flash pictures or lighting of any kind once we enter the tunnel up ahead. Thank you.
To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop to the canyon floor, so for your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Be sure to watch your kids and no flash pictures, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
Steaming back to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you'll be leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. And remember to gather all your personal belongings, including jumpers if you got any.
Main Street Station is stopped for the main entrance Plaza Disney California Adventure Park downstairs Disney. This station only has stairs. Please wait for the train to make a bowling complete stop.
And real soon, folks will be traveling on. We'll be on our way again in just